Hello everyone. So first we will take a pink color paper like this and draw the dots on it. Now fold it as shown in the video. After folding it very thin, we will open it and crumple it like this. Now join it from the ends, fold it like this. Now put a round sheet of the paper over it. First we will make the cone. Take a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it like this. Fix the round paper over it. Draw the lines and it's ready. Next, take a green color paper and draw the lines on it like this. We will cut it out. Now fold it like this in a shape of a cone. Fill the papers, put the foam and the clay like this. Paper balls like this over it or some grains. Now put a yellow color clay ball and it's ready. Next, take the yellow color paper like this, fold it from the between. Now again fold it like this, keep folding it and fold it from the top as well. Now put the black color sheets of the rectangle shape over it and your sunglasses are ready. Next, take a yellow color paper and fold it like this. Now open it and again fold it from the sides. Press it from the sides of the pages. Now follow the same step for the other side. Press it from the sides again and then press it like this. And your boat is ready. Next, we will make a cute bow using a paper. Fold it like this and then cut it from the sides using the scissor as shown in the video. Now open it. Now in the between, paste it like this by folding it from the sides. Use the double-sided tape for this step. Fix it and then make a paper, cut it like this and make the frills on it. And your bow is ready. Next, we'll be making a cute chocolate bouquet. First, we will take a plastic bottle like this and cut it. Fill it with the paper and the clay as shown in the video. After fixing it with the clay, put some candies over it like this. After that, we will take a paper and put some dots on it. Crumple it or collect it like this and paste it over the bottle. Cover it totally and make a bow over it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white paper like this and draw the candy over it. After that, we will cut it out. Now, after cutting it carefully, we will decorate it by putting double-sided tape over it. We will put some candies over it one by one as shown in the video and it's ready.